So in today's recap video, I'm going to talk about my thought process and the trade I missed and all that, and how I could better myself the next time. So if you can see, this week started around this side. I think this candle, just around this candle. So I marked out this zone first. Then after that, I marked out this side, and I marked out this side. So whichever way that price touches first, I have a way to deal with it. So this one was a short zone, a supply zone, and there's a demand zone, and there's a demand zone. So my thought process was that, okay, if price touches here, price will eventually come to this side, then we'll push to this side. That was the plan, but price didn't go as planned. You have your plan where the price will have its way. Price on Tuesday. So Monday I didn't get any trade. I missed the trade. I think I didn't miss the trade, but price didn't come to my zone. When it got to around 12, I think around 1:12 there, I knew that, okay, I saw that price won't come back to this zone again. Price won't come down to this side again because price is just going up, and price has already broken this side, the structure. So I was thinking price will come down to the demand zone here, then I'll take a buy to the side, but price didn't come. But the only chance I had was around this side, this zone. This is when I was supposed to pick this trade. I think I took this trade, but I left it, or I hesitated because I was skeptical about, like, it was too early. It was around 1 a.m. and all those things. So I just hesitated. But it is what it is. Most of the time, your decision can be right, decision can be wrong. So after that, then I missed this buy. Then on Tuesday, which is this side, Tuesday, I think I took this trade around this zone. I took this trade around this zone. I told myself that, okay, if price touched this zone, I'll look for sales. So when price touched this zone, I went straight. I think I was on a 1 hour. I was on a 1 hour. So immediately this candle closed, and this candle went up a little bit, and I took a shot around this side. And my target was here, this zone. Initially, this area. But because price was coming down straight and descending straight, I was like, no, this trade can't go to the side. Can't just go straight, just like that. And the entire day from Asian session to New York, then, oh no. So I was like, okay, then there will be a little bit of reversal, but I didn't know where the reversal will happen. So when I saw that, okay, price has closed around this zone and the candle was a little bit short, then I went to the smaller time frame to check the momentum. So when I saw the candle around the 1 minute time frame on the MT5, and I think I closed around this side, so I closed with 200 pips. 200 pips, so it was like 1:7 or something like that. Yeah, so I closed 200. I said 200 pips was enough. Then I just closed. Yeah, I closed 200 pips. Then I didn't take any other trade again. So the decision I made was okay, and I will eventually make that decision again, because looking at the way price just came down, I wasn't expecting it to go that deep again. So I had the opportunity to catch the buys, but I don't like it when immediately I enter a trade and I'll just try to no, I don't like it like that. So I just left it. I think I was done for the day. For that day, price came back to this zone again on Wednesday. On Wednesday, price came back to this zone on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I think I missed a trade around this zone. Yes, sir. So what the trade was, let me see the build up. I think I didn't know the zone to use around this side, but it confirmed that okay, price was using this area as a blockage. It was using this area as a demand zone. Then my other confirmation was here, was to go to like, so far as the blockage was on 30 minutes. Because it's on 30 minutes, I'll move to 5 minutes, to the 5 minutes. So if it was to be the 4 hour, I'll move to an hour, then I'll check the 30 minutes, and I'll check the 15 minutes. But because it's a 30 minutes zone, I'll move to the 5 minutes. Oh, that's my PC lagging. Okay, so I moved to the 5 minutes. So the mistake I made was to move straight to the 5 minutes, which made me miss this trade, because I had placed my limit here, and I had a touch. I had a break of structure here, so and I had a touch to this, but so you can see clearly that there's a space here, so price didn't touch here, and I was targeting above the other zone, price didn't. And by the time I woke up to, and then following it, by the time I woke up to, price came to the zone here. I don't know, no, it didn't touch, it just came to touch this side, and it was really quick. I think this touch was just the opening of Thursday, so I missed this trade on Wednesday. So if I had gone to the 15 minutes, I would have gotten a trade on the Wednesday. So if you can see clearly, here, I think 15 minutes to, I would have missed it. Yeah, 15 minutes to, I would have missed it. Yeah, so it is what it is. This game, missing trades, you need to be used to it, because you miss trade, you miss entries and all that. The reason why most of the time I set buy limits is, or orders is, it's most of the time when it's coming to my entry like that, sometimes you might get wrong entry because of what you panicked, or you wanted to get in so early. Yeah, so that's why most of the time I set in limit orders. Then on Thursday too, we had another break of structure here, and we had a zone here. I made this trade too. I made so many trades. This trade, I was thinking about selling. I don't know what happened to me. I was thinking about selling, but this trade, I was supposed to take this trade. I really bite myself for that, and I really scold myself for that. take this trade because it was a neat buys to the upside. It was very beautiful. Yeah. So this week actually produced like good buys on the smaller time frame. If you are trading on a smaller time frame, you would have gotten so many buys. And this one too, my broker plays a buy limit here. Trade didn't trigger. So as you can see, I have this one here. This one here. Price breaking the structure and then tapping here, then boom, to the upside. So this is a very good week, but because of some petty errors that I've made, and I'm going to correct it, and I'm going to do something about it to not to be missing trades again like this. So I missed this one, this one two, and I think that is it on this one. Then on Friday I didn't take any other trade because I wanted price to break. It was looking like price would break this trend line, and it did, but I stayed out of the market very early because the way price was moving, you can see that it's actually consolidating and all those things. So I stayed out of the market entirely, and it was a good decision I made. I think I stayed around, I think around 1 o'clock. Then I'm out of the market because I wasn't seeing anything that I could have made or I could have taken an advantage of. So I just walk out. I thought price would break the structure, but it didn't. Like I expected. So you can see price was just going up and down, up and down. It's not my thing. I have to see either you're going up or you're coming down. Yeah, so that is the trades I took on gold, and the trades I missed on gold too. Yeah, so we'll move on to the next. So US30 on Monday, price had already broken the structure. So you can see here we started from this zone. I think here on Monday price has already broken this side. What I call it, a support, and it's broke through, and the support has already turned into a resistance. So but I drew my demand zone here. I drew my demand zone around this side. Yeah, I drew my demand zone around this side. So I was anticipating, or I was looking for price coming to reach this zone, then shooting back, and it has already gotten to this zone. And I like the way it has rejected this zone here with a massive candle, and price is shooting up again. So I want to see a rejection around this zone. So next week I'll look at this trade, maybe early Monday or something. Then so what I looked out for is, since we are going to this side, I wanted to buy into this zone. This was my target. I wanted to buy into this zone. So but I think on Monday I missed this trade too, because I was on a higher time frame and I didn't see it, or it happened so fast. I didn't see it, or it happened so fast. So if you can see that we had a break of structure here first, and we came to tap again, but that was in the morning, and we had another break of structure here. You can see that we had a break of structure, another one here. And after the break of structure, we had a zone here. We had a zone around this side. Price tapped that zone neatly on a 15 minutes. So now what I'm supposed to do is I'm just supposed to just take the buys here, but I miss because most of the time I take US30 trade, I take it afterwards, and I was at that time I was glued in taking the gold buys too. I was glued in wanting to take the gold buys too, so I missed this opportunity. Because I had the opportunity to take it on the 5 minutes too, because we had like multiple confirmation on multiple time frames. I had this price breaking this structure again, then I had a zone here, a small zone here. I think I missed up so many opportunities on US30 because I wasn't focusing on US30 this week. I was so much into trading gold and all that. Yeah. So this would have been my entry. This would have been my tightest stop loss. Yeah. Maybe I would have used the side and now 400 pips straight. So I made a mistake for not 500 pips. So I made a mistake for not focusing on this trade. Like I would have made so much on this trade. Then, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Sometimes you make it wrong. And after that trade, then I missed another trade too. Yeah, there was a nice demand zone, and after that we had a break of structure here. I don't know, you can call liquidity, I don't know, whatever you like, you can call it whatever you like, liquidity and all those things. Yeah, so and this price is going up, so your target can be just around this zone, because there could be a possibility that price could reject this zone because it made a massive move to the downside. You get it? So after that, I was even this is what I'm even thinking about. So after this massive move, I've seen that okay, there's a rejection here, there's volume here, so I'll be looking out for maybe selling. I've not missed this trade yet. I'm still holding on to this side. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for price to come down to this side, then I'll target here. My target will be around this side. Yeah, so I think that is it on US30. Then BTC, I took some trade on BTC. Let me go to crypto. Coinbase, I clicked on Coinbase. Okay, so as you can see, I got the buys on this trade. It was a very good trade. So initially I was supposed to take the buys from here, this side, from this zone, this area, but I missed it. So here I was supposed to take it from here. I missed it, but not being so good. I had a chance take it again. I had another chance to take it again from here. Yeah, I had another chance to take it from here, and I think I missed it from here too. I missed it from here too because I think I had a break even around this zone. I mismanaged it here, but I had the opportunity to get a buy from here to the upside, and now price is just going up again. I tried buying it yesterday too, but I got wicked out. Yeah, so it is what it is. Yeah, we just move on regardless. Yeah, so I think that's the trade I took all this week, and yeah, so we'll see ourselves next week.